like
I'll
you.
show you what it looked like before.
Okay, so what do we have before and what did you do for us?
So this was what it was like before, this here.
Okay.
And we had keys falling out from the side and overflowing, and it wasn't really clean. So then, and we had 2 stations. Now we have 2 stations that we're gonna make that are exactly the same. And one of them can get stowed away, so when we need it, it's there, but it doesn't need to hang out here. And this is the new one, and it's easy cleaning. You just move it, you can clean. But it's got everything that you need, all right there.
Very neat and
And
clean.
this can come out because the rubber bands, sometimes people like it here, sometimes people like here. So if you really just can't have it here because you have short little nubs like I do, then you just bring it over.